This is my Suzuki LT 125 quad runner, 885. That's my new clamp I just put on it. I cleaned out the carburetor. That's all clean because I had to tear it apart. I cleaned the inside of the boot. Cleaned out a lot of things. And I spent almost $60 trying to fix it. And I still can't get it to start. I try, and I still can't get it to help. So, hopefully YouTube viewers or somebody who's watching this video would be able to help me, and I don't need comments. Yes, it is on. I have almost a full tank of gas. My body panels are off right now because I just got them painted. I never got them on yet because I can't get it started. And yes, I painted the frame green a couple years ago, and doesn't start. Runs really, really good and sounds really nice once you start it, but doesn't start.